Hi everyone. We are still in multiplication and its properties. Today we will have a very important property of multiplication, which is distribution. We will distribute multiplication on addition, and we will distribute multiplication on subtraction. So let's see how. Let's have this product. It's 25 times 5. The other product is 25 times 2, and the next one is 25 times 3. We know that the first product, 25 times 5, is 125. 25 times 2 is 50, and 25 times 3 is 75. Observe something. 125 is nothing but 50 plus 75. So I can say that 25 times 5 equal 25 times 2 plus 25 times 3. To clarify the image for you, observe that or notice that 9 is 7 plus 2. Let's multiply 9 by 10, we will get 90. 7 by 10, we will get 70. And 2 by 10, we will get 20. 90 is 70 plus 20. And 9 is 7 plus 2. So 10 times 9 is the same as 10 times 7 plus 10 times 2. This is the property of distribution. We can say that 25 times 2 plus 3 is nothing but 25 times 2 plus 25 times 3. I will multiply 25 by the first term, which is 2, plus 25 by the other term, which is 3. This is the property of distributing multiplication on addition. Observe the second example. In the second example, 10 times 7 plus 2 is 10 times 7 plus 10 multiplied by 2. So this is the general formula of distribution. A times B plus C is A times B added to A times C. How to use this property? Assume that we want to find the value of 35 times 11, which is somehow hard to make it. We need to make it vertically. But instead of making it vertically, we can use the property of distribution. We know that 11 is 10 plus 1. So instead of saying 35 times 11, I will say 35 times 10 plus 1. So the answer is easy here. We will distribute 35 times 10 and 35 on 1. So we'll get 35 times 10 plus 35 times 1. The first product, 35 times 10, is 350. And the other one is much easier. It is 35. Now I can add them mentally. They are easy to be added. So the answer is 385. This is how to use the distribution of multiplication on addition. Another example, look for this. For these two numbers, 79 multiplied by 101. Instead of writing 75 times 101, I will write 79 times 100 plus 1. 101 is nothing but 100 plus 1. So I will distribute 79 on the 100 and on the 1. So I will obtain 79 times 100 plus 79 times 1. What is the product of 79 times 100? We need just to put 2 zeros to the right of the 79. We'll obtain 7,900. And of course, 79 plus 1 is 79. Look for this easy sum. It is a very easy sum. 7,900 plus 79 is nothing but 7,979. This is how to use the property of distribution on addition. Now, you need to know that the property of distribution is applicable also on subtraction. I can say that A multiplied by B minus C is A times B minus A times C. So 13 multiplied by 4 minus 1, for example, is 13 times 4 minus 13 times 1. This is how to apply the property of multiplication, of distribution of multiplication on subtraction. Now, let's apply this property for some hard multiplications, some hard products like 13 times 98. Instead of saying 13 times 98, what's 98? It's 100 minus 2. So I will write 13 multiplied by 100 minus 2. Now let's distribute the multiplication on the subtraction. We'll obtain 13 times 100 minus 13 times 2. What's 13 times 100? It is easy. It's 1,300. And 13 times 2 is still easy. It is 26. Now this difference is much easier than the first product. It is 1,274.